Bra wanim kakraman because na dem say one I would jahwa pass Fred no before see best start no. Yes some mo da post na mo pitch no so nyina chen. Fans no come to stadium say na because there are games I want them. There are games say be a on kind team say injury na be into be a ball stance difference near there.
Okay, for young goalkeepers no to be a agent no every angle. Yeah, I think say compared to France no clearer version of the field because some of it raw. But yet agent you can say
pitch
so until you every angle until you can say when it comes to organization in Yamana mostly near goalkeeper no. Because maybe I engineer you field no see.
Yeah. To say be our share matches ni be like be our colleague goalkeepers being Ghana Premier League, foreign leagues. Me say am should be the ABS swing there not to criticize be who should be there na wo they are there to game no. One kasa personally.
Well, obiane in quality of possess and no in and matches be as Sena Ebano. But I feel say Ghana goalkeepers no qualities one you know. We sure will be a style of keeping na maybe Kakra also be fano. Now they account, but I think say we share most of the matches. It's like Kakra misumete me afa come game no. I am me fana.
Okay. This season they are saying your master sama more Kakra because what they compare last season now a more struggle, more bread. At the end I down so our season very different from last season. More than Bono.
Okay, so this season I feel say about determination. Players near perform by near some top class players. And before Mbano Sono, they made them aware say this is the task ahead. It was all about determination. Say we have to do it as compared to last season. Like last season, not determination, but also season econo. I mean, Inyama want to be distracted, but okay, this season, you like squad, everyone is determined. Will be able to chance behind. He tries to do what he can do best to help the team. Yeah.
As I feel league, economy power because obiet me fa. Who want to say Kotoko and more targets.
League need every year be a target because this is what we are known for. Kotoko near big club. Into seven crowd for league crana on your share. Unless maybe you go to the highest level, which is the Champions League, but before you get there, I think the league in the first thing as on focus on internet. League in India, yes, other clubs are also, competing, and that is all what we are competing for. But yeah, determination is a better cap now.
That's France limits to feel some bit me a double low because that's the one that's so FA Cup anymore.
Yeah, double in India is going to happen. Of course.
It's easy we are more for our Kwaja Bako.
We are winning the double because you believe you said this is the time, and I think the last time it happened was 2014 or 2013 in Mobako.
Yeah.
So we want to create history for ourselves. So this season, it's really happening for the double.
Only players no more na dinkoma more na feel say yana attendance or stadium sunya influence or mo game so. And I say game by game be I know say fans ne bars or more man numbers no nchida new one yade. Mo pay free turn on the move fat dag out or kwa. Now move runner e be attendance come like a shinkra. Send her na be a mo si feeling na mo room so na attendance na nya de mo na impact be na nya mo game so.
Okay, so I think say Kotoko enim nyina is about the supporters. Without the supporters, there's nothing like Asante Kotoko. I quite remember say the first season I'm about Kotoko Asante Kotoko. Now you have Champions League. So you need Kadiogo. Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Near Kobeni Aba you home match. So near our dressing room, me say me who's a crowd ni bida.
Wow.
Intino you go inside no. They try to psych they say supporters na ba intino. Yeah, like we should do something. If you dugout now, you're out, no, the supporters even there alone, no, and my that confidence to do it for them.
Wow.
So the league or the like Kumasi, there is nothing like Kumasi Asante Kotoko without the supporters. You know, the attendance now I feel say is disheartening because kakra ebe ye no enim say ye and almost kakra mo ye aboa no enim say almost mo ye but yehu omo stadium it gives us more confidence and the opponents ni so any omo bono the moment omo ba omo supporters they feel intimidated. Wow. Born as omo no ntimi but yeah call for even when mistake comes time nyama mo ayde no obeka ni brekum Chelsea ye ball around 60th minute no me too many share stance in them na afido mu nyina omo gidegina ho they were waiting for the goal. Wow. And immediately I go in the buy no I mean the team was down. Brekum Chelsea team was down and they sang throughout the game to the end.
Serious?
Yes. So I'm a stadium I admire that confidence and say about one. So without them no sometimes it's very difficult. Yeah, but sometimes it's make us a virtually empty stadium. As I had dream. Some say you know you ball with the supporters. The moment you home, they my confidence. Mistakes nearby they are there to encourage us. In they stand to sing and do their rituals, things they have to do for us to win games. They do it. So without them, I don't think say boy. So we are pleading with them too.
Yeah. See, Kotoko supporters and say mood yeah. Until I mind use the word fans. A woman come on or some banamba support was so pleading. Then I feel some more yeah day on my back.
So the only thing I basically say on my back, I think say if you keep on giving them good football and good results, because sometimes we ourselves admit to say yes we win, but the kind of game they expect us to play, you know, monitor, a hard drink. So I believe say with good football, no, they will come and then it will give us the confidence to win games. Yeah.
Me back my question before Coach Ogumajuma to say one in a year Juma to say.
Or a fantastic coach. One of the best in the country.
Wow.
Yeah. One of the best. Like Obia on the floors, but he's one of the best. Yeah.
Very demanding.
Very demanding. Or a top level coach. Like he doesn't settle for less. I'm trying to say, yeah, bomb match now you win 2-0 and maybe Senna or Kasi and Mono. Yeah, he's not even happy. Yashe, but he's not even happy because the way he wants us to play, we didn't maybe play that way. So he's very demanding. Even at training grounds, he doesn't give you the say or mouse have freedom or person there. At the end of the day, he's looking for the results. He's also looking for your personal development. In as much as upper results, no play and no development, because of let's say individually, you improve, the team also improves. Until he's a very demanding coach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The Inter me business and when I started season as number 1, and I say halfway midway, Ube loses his sports no more Kamara Kakra. How do you feel now? For say at the end of maybe fine old down near day. Oko come by Black Stars camp when you call up by now be losing position. So now down today.
Okay, so well, me free Black Stars by after the call up. Maybe 9 injury Kakra. Okay. So together with the medical team, we spoke, and I had to be off for some time. I'm losing my position in my Kamara, and Obianim said Kamara so by a very fantastic job until I recover. Then I had the chance to start playing again. Yeah.
To say, me kaiso boas mo lose to Lions area and bear 4 matches, me more call losing streak because you guys were winning 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. Now if I has a conversation about Bay and I say come around Maureen's and I na one pair. So my name Mike name is we were like the moment I pressure be basa was some 2-3 no more nyana sana mo lose match and so I need na 4 matches defeat at once the buy. You were in the conversation be Asare-Asante for mon dropping na camera remember debi say what say be a book game we say they now buy discuss one na diano you as a goalkeeper in post anya pay so be a mistake no you are not feeling it to say what to say be a like one of our protagonist will be a can was some.
Okay, so normally utin sembe say it's there is human error in our daily lives. We make mistakes. Into no sometimes mistakes ne ba. Na uti so be can. And this is all fun in the negative way because any panel can at the end of the day no oye ne papa or no one beka. Into no after every game I assess myself. Me I make a video no a shape match no. After the match here, me share video no, me share the full 90 minutes.
Wow.
After that I go to the video analyst. Na me know me do home come say what like inyama is see you know. Then I can me ya can better. Then I speak to the goalkeeper trainer before the head coach. If you want my comments from outside media for new, but it doesn't discourage me. I feel say they are criticizing me, which I have to take it in a good faith. Into say mistakes never. Yes, I accept the mistakes. Obia, no one is above mistakes. And the mistakes, and you say a open or open yes. After the mistakes, no, when people are talking about it, I take it in a good faith. Me fun in good faith because if I don't take it in a good faith, I don't think say I can learn going forward. Into however it is, no, about me, I take it and work upon it. Yeah, going forward, I'm improve it each day. Yeah.
So post-match analysis, one can personally say be able to wabedi can show game. I could be a video analyst, no, I call to goalkeeper's coach and son of call head coach and so on. Me I can see mama other players outfield for no say we obu on also ball game we on also pen personal development say be o maybe some miss and obu on obu we
oh okay and minimum other players no, but most of them no after the game we discuss to say ya bomb match na me minim say me performance but you renew sometimes it's me we need 2-0 3-0 but on the day no me performance I made yeah it wasn't good. Into no young players ni buwa so you gather your groups near say akotena na it discusses say okay say this because sabi me am tia say you know if me conform me very close to me in the team them fan say so be say justice play
yes
say me bo game na nya after me am assess me won say enye no he comes to me no catch him say I see and imagine me who you about saying yes he tries to talk to me na me so dey won ma catch na after they are finding solutions, okay, next time you say,
wow.
So we the players now, Kasan, Ubia, one born home, yeah, catch your home, say, Charlie, any renew, but when I'm saying, I should not queer mountain, then a bear next time to get better. Until you're correct, yeah, you're near Hokasa.
Obama Kotoko pressure, and it is saying,
too much. But it comes with pride. Pressure need too much, yeah.
Because we say be our format we share Kotoko say format na more prepare be so midweek and Sunday ye Bokotoko ye Bakumas and more Bahoma one cast and feeling it is after say or switch the aba it comes with pride as maybe share Kotoko so preparation here dance so cry
to say me former club Accra Lions ye na Kotoko buy na
why
because unim say it's the biggest club in the country. Intino when ya kwenya say oni Kotoko bebo o da on da no pa ye ko gym e wi ani e ko training ye prepare say at least even ye bampo ni elusu a will get opportunities to come and play intino ye ne team bi anything sometimes no emma pressure better ye wo Kotoko currently because sena na ye wo like your former clubs ye ba ye na no saso na other teams so ne ye bebo amon na because of say me number 2 me better than the obotu no Kotoko nti se me bana me yere me ho a
Kotoko bet me ato
Kotoko be sign me asho nti no ba no it's not even sometimes about the results okay ono no ba for ono no personal yamba say the personal performance nti imagine say so bia eba 11 players obia dey shine team say me ba me be yere me ho na Kotoko atomia at the end of the day to be a group performance then a team performance then they get a very a solid performance against us. Into playing for Kotoko, I don't think say that from crowd.
Oh, no, then I reflecting more matches a month for so Kotoko anya there because they're okay. Opponents from goalkeeper, ABC striker, so 11 players, you know, say or then a game nearby. Then say my more matches near more difficult than a normal games.
Very difficult because imagine say, and last week any Heart of Lions board. No disrespect to them, but on next match now, me person won't show on next match how they will perform. It will be a normal game. Okay, boy, normal game, but it's also not be share Kotoko. They want to make name for themselves. Yeah, share out of lines and news. So.
Yes.
But almost share a very big news. Yes. Internal normally our preparation is different. Yeah, very different.
Okay, so former team tell the okay na ope say onyere ho na Kotoko sign no. Na ebedru level bi so nipa na ba Kotoko awie. Afi wa clearly won say nipa na so wa relax. So na obisa ho say enye the same player na na bi o hia Kotoko anu wire no ba team na wo so pa bona menya Kotoko amebo menya Kotoko amebo afi obedru wi a na modern bona depe and also you down today enye wo asking say wona me bisa but una wo team ni mo
sometimes then I make an pressure Kotoko no be foul no sebi is ka kese no be foul ino do aba Kotoko till the moment I we do one media for us mu play me role very well. You talk about the player no back to con. Me kai this season more happy so many players and that's someone you good. So the fans are expecting something more.
Yes,
something better. Into no banu when you 1-2 games here because and a player we am kind of answer na. So sometimes you know so sometimes I feel say demands near high. Very high. So Uber na expectations na any we no my out man. If 1 or 2 games don't meet the expectations na difficult.
Okay.
It all comes to the pressure na make am.
Unya Black Stars call up. Make I na Mali ne a car game na unya call up na ko buy na obeluzu position. So
Sudan.
Okay.
Sudan home and away.
Okay. Sudan home and away. Yes. I know unya call up. Oba na beluzi opposition no. You say Benjamin nya call up. Wow namesake Asare nya call up. Like who make post or social media make a story no how do you feel say be a fine on the pitch right very well because in say off the pitch you guys
no sad one now no
initiation dancing in the shadow me a sound oh, now I'm saying me change crab when I come my house I cry I woody.
Asane se mansa ya mansa.
I didn't know more mama. Mama is me.
I mean kind you.
The first one they are the one I said there. Oh, the monaga say no chire monaga no chire. Monaga fast monaga say no chire.
Friend, you say now Sabena. Say we no rem.
I do monaga describing last.
And you your friend you rem.
Ala. What do you casa?
You swear you follow me a video. Yeah, I don't know. What's up now? Wow. I didn't know the answer. I don't know. So to call up and buy enough feeling it is all Drew camp reception, you know. Yeah, to say.
Oh, very nice because receive very well. And also be need dream say obobo for Black Stars. Higher reception a very good place. No more yet say we coaches need say we local we professional. Them. Omojo send omojo professionals ni or that you know. Sana omojo.
Some na mo professional players, but and be an panel outside. So mo na mo professional, mo pro. To come by na me fan say we by na me back to Asare there no. You also make keep post no because of the pitch. Guys niana more sign very free near there. You are not feeling to say so me. But I quite be a minu be your body man house of folk.
Okay, so first of all, I mean congratulating him. I think say he really deserves it. He has really worked hard for it. Because social last year, about this year, a moment. I think say a moment. He has really waited for the opportunities. And a buyer and so no. I think say wasumi into me. I don't feel say maybe many SM now be no. the coaches made the right decision at that particular moment. And football, you know, is all about moment. In moments nearby your friend, no. I think say Oko and so no, or yeah, there is on and yeah, me say there because at the end of the day, a case my I say when given the opportunity, you can do the work. And for me, I'm very happy for him. I'm very happy for him.
But my mom say Facebook on so I message say but I'm for Boba Sopa because I'm say they see in Simona no. I'm way I Mike.
Aside once you the or social media near there. Aside on a number.
David.
On a number. Into like on in the personal income.
No be or yeah. I say no be or madam for.
Yeah, I understand.
But he share local blast and he didn't come all right. The Kasaye bibia. But
what kind of a person is he who encounter or local blast and what is saying or a nipper banks
make me say or a humble or you'll be he's always ready to learn. I'm found say when you see one I say like who and him saying Debbie whether idea of sometimes of or like I don't know feel so or better than you in this also goalkeeping areas maybe will be a good in 1v1 will be a good to on the end of falling short no otimi ba ho otimi no be din commas oh bro maybe you kick say me first say now you know.
Wow.
Yes, so he's a professional. I think say he's a very humble and a very cool person.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so after so back Asare will name sake in Swakwe because yeah qualas and be 2 local goalkeepers who pay. Say be a camp no wedding come say you know that so monitor and come be so from Black Stars camp.
Well, head coach name Asare. Yeah, about me back because me injury no aware. Yes. I think I stay out for about 2 months. To me back no, we spoke before any Chad in Ghana, and also he's monitoring my progress and everything. You know, I should keep on working hard. So in the future, I'm not out of the team, but in the future, no, there can be a possible collab.
Okay, Mike.
Number per them person be son here. Come out be son say Kotoko ne bonnet is saying. Crazy about him, and you shot at the night, and you see a shannon normal. More as a player, and as a more channel when you bought crest and so what comes to mind, especially for a game, Mokobo match. Now I found Jason and now who crest and one who the artery goes again a bum with him.
Nearby a team, they say we have a lot to give to the people, not only the supporters, not only Asante, but the whole of Ghana. You share a cresta a GD not only for Asante, but the whole of Ghana. They made name for themselves. The whole of Africa. Because I say me come Morocco, our airport. Obi hume. And obi sam say Black Stars yeah. Until obi hume obi sam say na me kohe. And I'm so me free Morocco me bagana. Near about friendly matches near. And I say me boat team and I'm say me bo Kotoko. No say Asante Kotoko. Say yes. So idea they made name not only in Ghana but the whole around the world.
There's a Dino that's all.
Dino wo honum.
Money ugly more.
Yes. Into no Osha crest now. Know that you are not representing just you are representing the whole of
Marseille now.
Yes.
Kotoko. Sakwa.
You representing the whole the like Ghana phone, you know. Into a mouth team say you don't have to disappoint them. You have to also put up your best. Send a bear dini bit a koso.
What game we are soon?
Yeah. What game we are soon?
Oh, Kotoko.
Yeah.
Match bay.
It was I think this season. Yeah. Me this season my manager can never find me. My boss never found free stadium. Be so free. For your point, you know. Me soon ya could do dressing room penifone be year in line. Me say so free ya hotel and sana ba. Yeah. My performance. I wasn't really happy with my performance.
And I'm losing.
You lose here.
True.
I think Legon City match, you know.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah. I think it's me back to one of my saddest moments. Never very difficult for me.
Okay.
And it took a very long time before.
That's now recover.
Players no more mental blocks and more encounter. Yeah, nipa, yeah, near film the same thing. Momo diana ujidi says scrutiny no too much on mo because momo did you made no man a domine. Some day a bar me the ashame home share them do you feel in more than enough pressure as a footballer, especially representing a club like Kotoko, the psychological way, do you really feel it?
Yeah, you feel it. You really feel it because
Run to me, 101.3.
you really feel it because me feel say nipa don ho adwuma na oye. At the end of the day, obi ni re nyina ye Kotoko. Obi ni re nyina ye Kotoko. Nti no a loose bar. Nipa ni ntimi na.
That come up.
I can. Me who obi a personally, I don't know the person, but after a match, any panel frame na no soon phones. Minimum be on your number free.
Whoa.
Yes.
Kotoko fan say supporter.
Yeah.
Mambo game away. No offer like pick up any panel soon.
Minimum be on your number free.
Wow.
Or say like I say I didn't know almost.
Oh
yes. Sometimes when you pass in, never be says here, it will affect you mentally. So if you are not strong enough, a bit me, I shall watch it.
That's how time now way. Never corner buy no. No move here. Near Bomach New Year, say, what could you feel cry? I shower I be beer, me metio, I may go through the game. And a corner by me, baby, on yam, Miss Min be son be beer, on yam and number free. Or frame no be something, sorry, I'm in because no say, and then your man around. All castle phones on your nose. You feel it saying,
and I make an affect me mentally.
How do you overcome such mental blocks? I could do sana. I was so free because I didn't have a training. And then I was your now sounds like a match. And quite many more fast to me overcoming these processes.
So anything that you
want to me, 101.3. Nyamin Sawo.
Psychologist. Our families. Me say, a bunny say, in my own way, I think say, my parents and they make us some more. After now, after every game, I'm on that, you know. And then I the only way a shaming crying say, I have to just forget about it. And sometimes it's easy. We do preaching this one. We say we training. We say we give you best. Then we yes we just rest and not assembly be suit. In this hard time and also you hear coaches now. That is when the coaches also come on board, because coaches say coach Prosper say or you doing wage mountain. Bibi sana also throw. No engage at that moment. No I try so best cycle. And sometimes I don't know, but me name family kasa ebu I mean now form of them. Mokasa. Do I'm impending for my management.
Structures no me put up to escape psychological.
Because maybe I want to cry any coaches need be net, doctors need to be all. And in Yama be say they come to you. I'm about with them and then be kasa. To if you are both now we are but and answer obey invite to abandon them. No wakasa. And throughout the night, so to me for 2-3 and be engage you within that particular place. We answer our family no now before. Yes.
What's the Mikasa Nimina? Wake our family be 3 times.
Yeah.
Oh, you're family oriented person.
Oh yeah.
How is your family like? Only in the home come out.
Okay. Me family no. Me nkwana me na me last one.
Yeah. Trimujo, still like we a good communicator pa because we see you in seven and only Mikasa pa.
Me na me last one, you know. Omo dream too much. Say ene omo to say nana ko me fi me mama ne papa from nana. Omo to say nana ko bobo na we lose so omo ntimi nidi. Yes. My sister says my sister's on YouTube. You know. Me can be my family. Me no so. Ye kakri bi and growing up no omo ma ye nyina ye one
bond no.
Yes, bond no. You know we ye frɛ ye ho. To be being cause we are brabo mo, you have to find a way to solve it.
ASAP.
Anyhow, we try so best solving, you have to do it. because at the end of the day so we just do it within into the family them in
how far
that religious straight away money free and because the next house with Christo so more pan. Oh, what's way?
Me
ICGC. I know my also for shout out.
I saw man is for shout out, and how many don't do how much has
religion played in your career? Make a role. Once your dear family bed, how much has religion played? How much role has it played in your career? Baby, how about Juno?
Me dear, you will meet to Christo soon. It has really played a big role when it comes to, I mean, my life personally and my career, because Christosum like enyamabu personally say hey is it like Christ like way and I mean crowd what else into ban sanom e masem wi ni sanyama na okoye bia odwen ho yeah nti eno na like that aspect na menya na me feel say aboa me in my personal life and in my career as well. Aboa me nti e ban Christo dia me mfeni agwo
because bibi member new team ho before me ban new team ho no to say the edi nkomo no nyina na ya about Kotoko how big I ya for say so boba and yes, be our representative Kotoko keke because you have clubs elsewhere. Batch chronic crest na ya e wo form no. Place in Tiaso, opponents in Tiaso, Obia man te fanchi mo no we do ko. A big kissy badge and ade. Legacy ben abeso ja Kotoko because anya wa minim say fine nya Kotoko na abawa because boni nyina no e back club no question cuz Ben wasum yenti and I say
it all comes back to the supporters. Engage when they come to the stadium, when they come in their numbers, when they fill the stadium, player Benny intimate on.
yes
Level Benny intimate, you can get there. Internet say Akechama say a normal but yeah is the moment. All more time need you. Me feel say we'll get there. A gradual process, but without the supporters, I don't think it's going to be possible because, like, when they come, it gives us the revenue to finance the club. Yes, aside supports no more, it also helps us. Internet encourage here, we'll get there.
New but before some course no a bit a you can say be a back count skin kakra but for me now being poly pa
yeah I'm pen
time ben out is how unfortunate in see
never find this in the currency before but I think say match so much man could be nothing I'm starting me rehab it's not me follow game ne pa
yes
I think the second half more now me who say need a be posted say Pole has been stopped to dot. So now I wanted to know more. And to my friend of crying and I'm an uncle. Because of how the last time I'm in the casa Friday if we have Saturday, Friday, you're pon training no. no babas na menene kasa ya na just intino me who news now wanted to know like the what was going on. Yes.
Okay.
To me friend need that kwanko. Till later no me say match no and broadcast beam and me say media page no more church say you can say match no like ref know how to match for some time anyway. The moon and be say I'm texted I'm publish say we never very sad. Yeah, a hard dream power.
The effect been now on a teammate no so.
I think say it's even for 9 years easy because I feel crowd na ehu ni bufu e woni pam.
Wow.
Ye mu bi say na afi de yakoda young boys it's meeting about man bobe 11-12.
Wow.
As ehu yem e wo yem e na ebufu sanso say adenti na e say e manisa enya effect we so psychologically because e ban sana twenu kwa nya bi upie kwa na afi de usuro ni adwun senti ye ko park ne so a like ahondin be na ebetimi asande akobo because obai so be support the obai so be support na yekunu nti ya ejina park ne so ya ejuma ne it affect you psychologically in a big effect well so
Bobo pese double na o kan mo betimi aye de ahye na ni monyam
and nti na pese nya double
like ya de mo di nkomo.
That is the main reason. Yes, that is the main reason. Say any pese nya mpa hye because wo no wo yen ya nti na bebia ye pese ne kra wo bia no bebia ne kra wo bia no ye pese ne kra ni ngi se wo no wo yen sebi na ya but anya nkwasi wo sebi
New
yo anona mo wada koja chena me hwe Frederick pa na auto wo bi training ground so no auto no na wo no so a no wo monkomo mudi to bo mu kire Patrick right third one no baby na ugina no mekra me yam shame.
wow.
Obomu pa I've been very close to teams. Has there been a time a game training ground so what bomb is a player be after game no what also depend on draw and our approach on a
oh yeah you see sometimes no no feel say why the right thing and they do we so na onene kasa with you but otio no opponent na sesa ne direction so as also keep an arranging fast into no edwin say why we but the next command e ba no ono no taking it serious and I say maybe of say the baby opposition one okay international on tiano because one tiano na at the end of the day be sharp free kick set pieces blames more your goalkeepers into no obu ayepon a they do e no say yepon na make say Charlie fachem unim say sanity into no no so normal but me tian me say na
that one or tian as a goalkeeper too or tian as a captain.
yeah
and that happen. I also know set players collectively individually more rituals I am more year ahead of games. Me I'm a captain Patrick Osajma Agio every game before be Rafael on so okay sin ne saketwa we no akisi the toss to no abaha no be kisi ketwa no be kisi we till later I find am say ne baketwa draw no da ha ne yere toss to am say ne maame but Agio ye ni nyina we no abaha ba bi abayi sei no oko wo brekum chance mu nyina timi hia wo fifi no kukuru mu ya na what trying to say before games especially big games and how do you do your stuff because me dem here tawo bi na ya go kom na the question show I know they memfa but share your ritual with us
me dey near bad you know
you want say yes I do
yeah
you want say yes I know the question
mo shegu a what I so bad in him
because if let's say bad you represent am for baby into no say me bad
yeah pim
yeah me dem saka bad you see ya
no so share who fa
I say erade adwuma me be anya me nkwa na me be me sro se ka me ho na wo mo buy so mo ba be hwe me no o mo fa ni ji nkofie So that is the reason why I say I made a Saka budget.
Me peso gako peko kwanwa ansana ba Samra boy. Away grounds where na umpe pa.
Yeah,
virtually
distance. Okay.
And the ball opponent and the bonnet thing.
Okay.
Apart from what you're crying, almost I know the agron is
one better that.
Is it about quine and I say opponent?
A quine opponent about for instance,
as a one distance.
R2 sorry, and
opponent.
To you. I to be on my top phone, but much of us are the Mauno. One is a pet north echo. Become Chelsea sorry and Golden City. Now I'm from Pelco. Samra boy, a quine on there. Some of
the most difficult away venue I visited.
Yeah,
I think so. Become Chelsea.
And then
yeah.
And then
yeah.
Are they
difficult? Intimidation near more.
Oh, how far was
Would you not partner so as someone?
Sir,
yes.
Auntie, was someone you near person who say goalkeepers more demand as players more patient. Now, a boy who video supporters will be say be. Against an amorti, be a day, maybe I'm some 20 hours for us. I
ain't some papa.
So I know when I walk out because I'm fully not to be japa or tunnels and no more casa like
what to be Asare-da.
You're young apostles. You're starting. Oh, Winchy. Your boy shot back when I'm assuming number 20. Me started. Bro. Inti born is so bad. Not me. About some who are quani. Ojina pony cheap. No, as I read the song yadi. Read the song yadi. Mumbai version. As I read the song yadi. Mumbai. Inti me Danny me chisa me saying on the sauce. Then I'm one case.
What do you say about
yeah. Yeah. And sometimes in the Utin Sempa, and some no sebi minti minkebiwa. I ebu anye.
A court says Sebi Abusian for us one.
And somebody been yet, yeah. Oh, bench you are. Any panel, I'm your coach. Oh, yeah. And somebody been yet. Frederick or Casa Captain, I'm a penasempa.
No messages have been go coffee. You can go back and read them.
What say you when you're Japan?
I will, yes, be crassy. You're coaching in the by interview. Now say
no.
I'm from business.
Obisana question before Babano and before you Nikki so Babano. Obisani Biana or train maximum by 4 seconds. Asano started. I've been monitoring.
Yeah, me was asked to when I say Ebia, all the ma on to say on your ready to be over baby. So my who will be able to find out the way back and your crowns name. Now big games preparation. I'm free tunnel no more air basa coach we football they are fun in the same. Casa de unya casa down to say upon match no. So once a coach back can go back in area or be understand no. Coach we and captain so ba. Captain also be baby who dressing room ho. Na ya bomb pa we na omo ko bench no a starting APP. Na sa be can starting team no. Because starting team na more baby chat picture. Oh, we na ko finally or last message to squad near there.
Oh, field no. Then me catch you say, "Ejuma we say be." So you have to do your best.
What to me?
Yeah, but I say agree like we shouldn't disgrace ourselves. Until wa bibia betimi aya or the bebo say be winning. Say even say 45 minutes. I say, intimate give you a chat to one. I say, you should have the confidence to play. Because if you don't have the confidence, I don't think say you even deserve to be here. Until the word I made the moment say you should be confident and focus. You have to be focused. You have to be confident.
I say, Fred, it's we Marshana analyzing. Let me tell you this. A dear goalkeeper or performer be our they pick it in the bar. Yes, scouting one. Maybe name how I scouting, but a dear we good palm judo on here who save balls or diving. I read
90 million.
Just say, yeah, do not 90 million. I'll come up. I do. Frederick, in fact, say I'm far balls through there. Me and sa I'm a modu kruma. A born a unisrono. My commentators be high on person you balls normally you did. I'll tell you later. Why pan when you ball a 7 bar we no sako share no say no this guy o ball on some man or chini
akoyi prame akoyi mafia o bash away ni
I think say man up Guma. Yeah. Any RTU or bomb center to pull. Yeah. Yeah.
Almost go anymore.
Yeah. Or bomb maybe center to pull or catch him off guard. To a boy and I'm ye and on one kind of bet me. And that's Sarah McCartney is an exceptional player. Yes, because any idea or by lack or chance, she has done it severally. Before even the game, they made me aware. Say, this is the kind of player he is. Yes, or somebody's. No, and no can't put the na. The entire money lose can say no. It's center in him kakrebi. Inke a benim kakra be having.
Oh, what do you go south Bobby? But you appear McCarthy free kick or dance pack. And no woman and I'm losing over picky. A buy and chair quay.
Yeah.
We several be born in some. Wow. Oh, be our second parent. Wow. Oh, you no, be our steady mob. Okay.
Yeah, McCarthy.
I don't need.
Okay, so
when you back on
Baba of one direct. I don't need a free kick way.
My catching so you'll be a ban of set pieces and so. Hey, so in a single game, no.
Yes, game way. Asare Juma. Game way. Oh no, yeah, Juma. Game way, yeah, Juma.
Because we are my catching bow.
But McCarthy the whole Ghana, I don't think say when it comes to set pieces
because what botings in who say McCarthy exceptional
when it comes to set pieces. Obi anyhow.
Ojinsembutu, Adano.
Obi anyhow.
Kupo Mune was go bound.
It's a Mones game. Obo Bechim. Nami Sunday.
Bechim tricky side.
Preparation necessary because Bechim will be in said the whole canal. Nipan back by stadium and bomb being intimidated or more like in a proper way. And man, if feel it is the more ball neutral venue. No. Sign up preparations it's ahead of Bichim.
So far, I think the preparation has been very good. Yakwa win and not keep a win, but unfortunately, you win. Into no, I think say a match is not can. If we really want to win the league, we have to win all the matches. The Bichim match in there, I think we are really prepared. Yeah, so it's not a new thing. Can you know about training? Said also didn't know who be. So mentally, physically, I think say we are very prepared to win the game.
Moshe.
Yes, sir.
Go be when you can't double the and it's a match bia and no more bia.
See, I can't 12 finals ever.
Plus FA Cup.
Yeah.
12 finals.
Yes.
Obi shemu bia nyina yi. Being home or away.
Yeah, 90s are 12.
Okay, there.
Jingle no match.
Okay, my today interior no masa ba obi na. Obi say 12 finals no Gold Stars kan ho ara.
Asante Kotoko. We are moving on and we are soldiering on towards the title. I am match day 27 of the Ghana Premier League. Empire Ega at the Papanyara Sports Stadium is the league leaders, the Fantabulous and the Fabulous Club of Ghana. Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Bechem United. I am Kwaseda April 13, 2025. 12 near Big Gate, 3 p.m. Ne jump them. When so dear, I have 20 Ghana cities for the popular stand, 30 Ghana cities for the center line, and 70 Ghana cities for the VIP. Obiamra Kotoko against Bechem United. Here to 2-9. Near the title no EDC and so. Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Bechem United. Yeah, be title no. And to Obiam sorry waka. Baku mienu miensa. Na yenina yankase. Ayafa. Emo day.
Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo.
Oh, I'll still live on Untumi 101.3 FM, live on Untumi TV. Dig it on the satellite edge where that's Sonia Santoro, captain, side goalkeeper, and I think come Frederick Asare and so on. 12 finals. Our Tom Krama, I question from us when the new team was a Omoka Homushim.
You to know him.
Yeah, that's what I wouldn't know.
Yeah,
Kotoko heat, I know what thing. Kotoko heat, I know what thing.
Yeah, me, I was all you Juma behind the scenes.
Kotoko no what
Meaning pa.
Okay.
But yeah, or 12
Mama
finals.
mama nemba muti.
Mema mu wanemba ho. Why journalist out here?
No, we got mama for the question, say, but because say, sorry, and our best former school because my feel, and I'll kasa ye pan, so me more about so more. No, people say, role model, and I say the attack and say, our idol, one game, no mono, when they be or no, me can inspire.
Razak Abalo.
Being foreign, local.
Baby,
Oko for a test again. Frederick.
On carrying or for man test again. Maybe some be local for us, baby, Razak Abalora. I didn't hear.
Okay. So, me so na me ba up no. Me bo wafa.
Yeah.
Me bo wafa. Hono na me ko hu no. Nti immediately me hu na me ka chen say. Me pese me nye neba. On fa me se neba. Because me first day I me do come na first team na na training. Me call for U17 na first team. Me share training we na me say no. The standard no Ghana.
Oh,
Yes. Ti me hu na me ka say me pese me fa ne say me papa. See you. Since then always Razak. To move you create a name so me back to it's Razak.
oh.
Me gloves am she me baby Razak.
Wow.
Yes.
See, gloves in now on one of the bar.
Picture.
Oh, okay.
Picture.
Okay.
And you know, Felix Alam, no one can say Abalora. Yeah, we didn't come out. I thought, oh yeah,
A reference point for most of the local goalkeepers.
Wow.
As I you have a picture, no, I mean, I send Shadrach.
Okay. And you be jam Marco. I'm for sending messages about obviously. Frederick has made me love him so much. He's fantastic, especially when answering questions because players in your beyond him Kazaza. Oh, they are not Usian way. Sir,
Or you come. Naturally,
no, you're born ma on to say Ellen Haaland. Now my friend robotic interview.
Oh, yeah,
The days with Dortmund. Yeah. But as a Freddie, they are not to say.
You be a me pe reading more.
Okay.
And listen to tea. You kind of sing inspirational or more kasa. Our programs in Yamano.
Wow.
You know, honum na.
But who said Frederick Botia Hilal for Kotoko Botia Hilal? Now, me shot that game on there, Frederick or Timmy. Yeah. But some Busa Frederick say, I control now, I say, because so I told that lad,
Yeah.
and I'm more exploited
More
at all.
exploited, yeah.
And I watch him, Fiamma, a new goalkeeper, Kamara, Abato, and a Fatau Abba.
Yeah.
So in between the two transitions, run away the center boot, you know. But Hilal game is your West for Kotoko.
Yeah.
I'm back to Ghana flight, you know. And then my best in the course with
Nano cry me boy cry my new training room near Ghana.
that game. I wanted to speak to you.
Yes, I don't know. I can say, oh, yeah, going to be out to say,
Yes.
when they may show.
No,
And it's also, oh, no, I feel not done why 2 minutes. Wow.
And they're crying.
And I name first official emphasis say match. Oh, what? Means me new training room
No,
now.
first game.
Yeah, that game, no.
First official
It's been very
competitive.
Weather, no.
Why honest?
Conditions.
There's still can you know
Yeah,
they are
where
weather
than to play part.
they don't want to weather near
Yeah,
there.
how more shit.
It's almost all like some cohort nights. I'm a game no.
And I'm a light and so different.
I told you.
And I'm a level on so near top. No level on say top.
Born in bank and some out some form born in ball.
But it was good. It prepared him for Kotoko.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So,
See,
I try imagine the choir. You see, what are the factors? Any wa bontini who are more famous. It may impact the performance. Okay, say what can weather? I've seen the Black Stars go to Sudan and play. I saw more border. The same weather condition. More brepa. Yeah. So factors by now. Aya a course before a gamer. A young son so gamer mobile bonus. Why any wa bontini. But moment him say wait there.
I can't be na affect ya my BBC but e be a day and day.
Okay, first year
we are no me and
weather no. And sometimes we do also maybe median idiom. And a three environment. Okay. Maybe I'm a copy on. So we are not used to nipa be hu no ne saa nyama no yeah and so account pa
Sudan game no dear but Frederick Ayade I thought he was not coming back. It was worse.
I think Stephen
everything
it was part of the reason but I didn't state it in that interview. It was part of the reason 10% terminating terminating contract.
Oh, why?
Game not there. I mean
First day now.
Yeah Stephen.
It was tough game. Maybe no me as technical man no.
Psychologically why it's tough because
Fancy, before that game no, the conversation was let's cancel telecast our game no, but they felt say a Kotoko so there's no way
share Kotoko be more telecast game.
But it drew hono na eduane DM no difficult. In fact, the only thing that boys in the team dey breakfast. And I would do breakfast and apa 8. Other meals no be serve no team ni team indi. Into the only thing I want me afa aye kwadu. And no more bread no far just under 5 minutes na heading. Into team indi. And from dining hall to room residence no just about 3 minutes walk. Ufondru na heading into the only thing I'm betting my fire breakfast. To for breakfast now cover match in 7 p.m.
Why
after sa game no a copy impo no. I think it's almost bonus will be 3 class.
Run to me 101.3 Yamin
Wow. Fred, you know we better CP for time now. Minimum 3 o'clock we are kick off mope. No na mope.
Okay, babe 3:30 okay. Aye we are no. I know what
it's a more brew.
We are not because we warm up. Say kick off no cry na ka no cry normal kick off. But to babe warm up.
Warm up.
Obobonsu sa sister Rebesta.
Well, Fred, I better ask you for time you're bringing team. Meaning, Bibi on my so can chair Koroko support so more baby abeso for be on my so can.
Okay, Miss Medamasi for Aquina Ria Modiamami. Regina has a Regina place in our name Asare Kotoko supporters say match here, not even only this match. Because say Akai 12 finals. Akai 12 finals. Yenim no meet me aye. Say Kotoko supporters kasomu ye bibia yenim no meet me aye. Say best from say 12 finals here Akai. Omomra in their numbers to support the club. Senebe aye di inkunimdi any double ebe mo.